Good morning, everyone.
Happy morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How is yesterday question paper? Anyone? How is yesterday question paper? Unmute yourself and talk to me.
Sir, I came
No?
today, I don't know, sir.
Huh?
I came today, I don't know, sir.
Oh, not you. Who are written that yesterday exam?
Yes, sir. Nice.
Okay, okay. Do you have any doubts are there? Hello? Again, pin drop silence. If you write that examination without doubts clarification, there is no use. All are understood?
Yes, sir.
Without clarification of your doubt for any subject, there is no use for written that exam. What is the weekend exam means? Weekend exam means whatever studying in the total week, whatever studying in total week, in that week listen once again. What are studying in the total week, you can remember that points or not.
Same.
Suppose in 1 week you studied, you not remember. 2 years syllabus, how to remember in final exam before? There is no answer. Just silently sitting around of your laptop or cell or tab, anything else. You can express anything else, that things I know it after. I can talk to the what is the processing of that examination, how to write, how to get marks, everything I can explain. Again, can we say anything else about that examination? No answer? I don't said anything else. If you getting or not getting, there is no problem. I want to the knows that either you can get, that is some same questions I given whatever explain. Those question at least getting or not.
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
Getting. If some new questions I given, that questions getting or not. That part not explained in class, model can be explained.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one by one, it's there. One by one, I can show me. If one by one question I am asking, first
Yes,
question
sir.
whether getting or not. Not getting mean I can explain. Don't think about the time. If you must learn that conceptual questions and that question, what is the process, both must be remembered. Otherwise, when exam by exam you wrote that, just you write the examination, but there is no use. Okay, clear?
Happy morning, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
But don't fear anything else. Free to talk to me. I don't said anything. I am not scolding anything else. I can ask to the you coming to the for learning subject. Those questions I can given in exam, but you cannot getting. You can ask. Freely ask. If that is simple question or lengthy question, whatever there. That question you can ask. I can explain to the that question. You learn. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see. This is the question paper, first two question. Here you can get that first question or not. Quickly
Explain, sir.
say, getting or not?
No, sir.
Here x square plus 9. What is the question given that? That is equal to, listen, x square plus 9 is there less than x plus 3 whole square will be given. What is the a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus B square to AB.
2ab. But here x square plus 9 less than x square plus 9 plus 6x. Both side which terms are cancelled?
X square
X square plus
X square
9.
plus 9 cancel. 6x greater than 0 implies x must be positive. X must be positive. You can take that second one. What is the second one? X plus 3 whole square less than 8x plus 25. Expanding x square plus 9 plus 6x less than 8x plus 25. You can simplify x square minus 2x, here 9 minus 25, what you get, that value is equal to minus 16 less than 0. Find out that roots of equation. Find out roots of equation. Here what is the x value is equal to 2 plus or minus root over b square. What is the b square is equal to 4 minus 4ab, negative of negative positive, for 16 into 4. What is that value? 64. Whole divide 2 will be there. 2 plus or minus root over 68. 68 I written 17 into 4, that is there 2 outside, here 17, whole divide 2. 1 plus or minus root to 17. What is the 4 square value?
16.
16.
17 is there more than 4 square or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, approximately 1 plus or minus 4.1 something. What is the 1 minus 4.1? That is called minus 3.1. 1 plus 4.1, that is called a 5.1. Therefore, here less than is there or greater than is there?
Less than.
Less than.
Less than. Here number line. One is called a minus 3.1. Another one is called 5.1. Positive, negative, positive. Less than mean you can take negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. What is the negative is there? Here x lies between minus 3.1 to 5.1 will be there. But already getting that one condition. What is that condition?
X must
X
be there.
greater than 0. Here minus 3.1 to 5.1. What is the both are common?
4, option 2.
What is the both are option? Both are common interval I told.
4.
Finally, 0 less than x less than 5.1. Do you understand?
Yes.
X is there more than 0 and x lies between minus 3.1 to 5.1. What is the common interval? Finally, you can get like this one. In this interval, what is the integers?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where which option will be there?
Option 3.
Negative.
That's all. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Note down quick. కొంచెం స్పీడ్గా you can speed to copying, then I can explain all questions. Just you can take that two inequalities, one question. You can take first inequality, after second inequality, solve both inequalities using that wavy curve method. Find intervals. You know the two intervals, common you can find.
Sir, completed.
Next, second question, already explained that in previously. What is that question will be there? You can listen. Root over, that is not visible. What is the question? Root over x by x minus 3 plus root over x minus 3 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Already explained this question in classroom. Are you getting this question or not?
No, sir.
Here, what is the idea? This is, you can take first one is there, some t. What is the second one?
1 by t.
T plus 1 by t is equal to 5 by 2. What you get, that value will be there. Therefore, you can get what is that equation? T plus 1 by t is equal to 5 by 2. By solving this equation, getting t value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T, what is the t is equal to root over x by x minus 3. Then you can solve. Okay? That is root over x by x minus 3 is equal to t, and solve this one. You can get the t value. Do you understand this question? Again, you can solve that today for whatever I can explain that questions. Next, here listen. In third one, getting or not?
Explain, sir.
చెప్పాలి ఫాస్ట్గా, మీ వెరీ స్లో టు రెస్పాన్స్. Response is very, very important when you wrote that exam.
Sir, explain one more.
Explain, sir.
Here, first inequality. What is the inequality? 5x plus 2 less than 3x plus 8. 3x bring left hand side. What is the 5x minus 3x?
2x.
2x. Therefore, 2 bring that side. What is the 8 minus 2?
6.
Therefore, that is 6. You can get x is there less than 3. Understood? Next, second one, x plus 2 by x minus 1 less than 4 given. What I told, when fraction will be there, don't do that cross multiplication. Therefore, 4 bring left hand side, minus 4
2x.
less than 0. You can use that LCM. What is the LCM? X minus 1, x plus 2 minus 4x plus 4 less than 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And here is there x minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 by x minus 1 less than 0, minus 3 common. What you get? X minus 2 by x minus 1 less than 0. But here clearly negative is there. What is the product of negative into what value? Getting negative.
Okay, sir.
Negative into positive.
Yes, sir.
That's why x minus 2 by x minus 1 greater than 0. A by b positive mean a into b. A by b positive mean a into b.
X minus 2 by
Also positive.
Again. A by b positive. A by b positive. Then what about a into b?
positive.
Positive.
Positive will be there. Therefore, x minus 2 into x minus 1 greater than 0. Number line, what is this value? 1, infinity minus infinity, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive. Therefore, here greater than symbol will be there. Greater than mean positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. What is that interval? This one, common interval required. Here one interval will be there. That is there 1 and 2. Positive means less than and greater than. Here is equal to 3 will be there. Therefore, here for second interval this one. Here 3 will be there less than 3. That is, this is the common. This is also common. What is the interval? Anyone?
2 comma infinity.
2 comma?
So,
No, sir,
Common
no, sir.
interval.
Minus infinity,
Both
comma,
shaded.
minus
Minus
infinity, comma, 1
infinity to
union,
1 union 2 comma 3 equal to sign
2.
not there. Open brackets. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, last step once I can explain, sir.
Here is there what is the interval? X belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. In this interval, what is the common for both? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That both interval, what is the common? Common I can written, that is called a exact interval. I think that whatever explain that every day, not solving any time. Even one time also not practicing, I can understand.
Sir, doubt.
Then I can follow some other method to how to practicing. Student can be do that how to practicing, I can apply. Then I tomorrow onwards.
Sir, doubt.
Ask.
Sir, that x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2 by x minus 1 is less than 0, you wrote, no, sir. After that, you wrote greater than 0.
Because what about minus 3, negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative into what value you can take, getting negative.
Negative into negative, positive. So, inequality place.
Negative into positive is called negative. That's why this is the value must be positive. Okay? Hello? Understood or not? There are 27 numbers will be there. If you not express that whatever your doubt, that means just you can write that examination A, B, C, D you can tick. Whether you know that A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4 you know or not. That's all. Only that one?
No, sir.
But you can do that same way. You never practicing anyone. Everyone today onwards must be do that work. I can given that one phone number. That phone number you can send work to me. You must send. After complete that work, take photos and send to me. Because of, if see that models already explained, that questions also you don't know. That means clear. It's a very clear. You cannot able to practicing any questions. Here one small thing will be there. I told that clearly. One thing is that I can clarify. What is that clarify? Generally any student, if one time listening, I can remember some students only there. That student is always topper every time. Or one student can be solving one time, then remember that all methods. One student can be solved 2 times, remember. One student can be solved 3 times, remember. Whatever your brain, only knows you only at the beginning. After some days, me also knows what is our brain. I can analysis. All are understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why some student is the practicing 2 times only remember that formula questions. One student can be solved 4 times. One student can be solved 1 time, can remember. At least 1 time must be solved. At least 1 time. 1 time mean by see that notes and copying that one notes to another notes, it's not correct way. Without seeing solution, you can try that questions. All are understood?
Sir, I have a doubt in second one.
Yes, sir.
Ask.
Sir, in second
Ask.
question, that last step,
T plus 1 by t is equal to 5 by 2, you can get or not?
yes, sir.
You can take LCM.
L by K.
What you get? T square plus 1 by t. That is getting that t square plus 1 by t is equal to 5 by 2. Just cross multiplication getting the t values. Okay?
Yes, sir.
T values. T value you know it. Then after what is the t is equal to root over x by x minus 3. Equate and squaring on both sides, find x. This question already explained in classroom. Next one. What about fourth one, getting or not? Quickly respond.
Getting, sir. Getting.
Same method you can solve. From this question what are solving, same like this one you can solve. Okay, clear? What about fifth question?
Getting, sir.
6.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That question also I can explain in classroom. 7th question?
Yes, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
9.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is the given? M is equal to k plus n by k. M is equal to k plus n by k will be there. Here that is, observe this one. Here that is there, what is that value? M is equal to k plus n by k. M is equal to, that is, listen, k plus n by k. What is that equation? Equation will be there x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0. This is the equation. M in place of that value substitution, x square plus k plus n by k into x plus n is equal to 0. Here x square plus kx plus n by k into x plus n will be there. Divide k into k is equal to 0 I can take. Divide k into k, value never be changed. Here listen, what you get first 2 terms, what is the common?
X.
X common, you can get x into x plus k will be there. Next 2 terms, what is the common?
M by K.
N by K.
Very good. N by k is the common. You can get x plus k is equal to 0. You can get x plus k common. X plus n by k is equal to 0. What is the x values?
Minus K, comma.
Minus K and minus N by K.
Therefore, minus k comma minus n by k or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That is the question. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Small question, simple logic. That logic you can identify, you can get that questions easily. That's why I am asking that whatever doubts are there, you can ask. Clarify your doubts. You can get new ideas.
Okay, sir.
Do it.
Sir, next.
First copy it quick. Every time Monday clarify that examination doubts. Without clarification you can write that examination, there is no use. Who are not clarified that questions, just you write that examination. What is the use is the time pass preparation. But need for some target. If there the target, then always get a success. Here any sir, if you asking doubt, never scolding, always explain. You coming to college because of learning subject. All are understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Completed?
Sir, next question. Yes, sir.
Okay. See the 10th question. If the quadratic expression were to be perfect square, do you understand this question? Perfect square. Perfect square mean, here for example, what is the x square minus 2x plus 1? How to written?
X minus 1 whole square.
It's a perfect square or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect square mean what is the discriminant of this one?
B square minus 4AC.
What is that value?
B square 4 minus
0.
Yes,
0
sir.
getting or not?
Yes,
Then
sir.
a perfect quadratic perfect square mean what is the discriminant?
0.
0. That equation discriminant 0 taken, getting a values. You can do that questions. You can
Yes, sir.
do that question or not? Hello?
What, sir?
You can do that question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about 11th question?
Sir, once
Left.
the process,
Once-
sir.
Explain, sir.
Okay, one root is square of the other. One root is square of other. One root is equal to alpha. What is the another root is called? Alpha square.
Alpha.
Given equation x square minus x minus k 0. Therefore, alpha plus alpha square is 1. And the next one, what is the alpha into alpha square is equal to k will be minus k is there, implies what is the alpha? Minus k whole power 1 by 3. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Therefore, what is the meaning of this one? Alpha cube is equal to minus k. In this equation, cubing on both sides. Why you can do that cubing on both sides? Alpha cube, you know that value. That's why alpha cube plus alpha power 6 plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 1 cube is 1. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Therefore, what is the alpha cube? Minus k. What is the alpha power 6?
Minus,
Minus k square.
K square.
Minus k whole square. What is that value? K square plus 3 into, what is the alpha into alpha square?
Alpha cube.
Minus
Alpha
k.
cube is called minus k. Alpha plus alpha square is 1.
1.
Is equal to 1. You can get k square minus 4k minus 1 is equal to 0. How to find roots?
Formula.
Formula. Here minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can do that remaining part of that.
Yes.
Here minus k will be there. And here minus 3k will be there. This is minus 3k. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Next question.
Ma'am, how it is minus 4
Twelfth
plus,
one.
sir?
Sir, explain.
Yes, sir.
Alpha beta roots of equation. Alpha plus h, beta plus h roots of equation. In first equation, write down sum of the roots. Write down. What is alpha plus beta?
minus b by a.
That question a not given. That's why minus b only. Write down that first step. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. Second equation roots are alpha plus h, beta plus h. Sum of the roots. Alpha plus h plus beta plus h is equal to minus q. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in this second equation, alpha plus beta replace minus b.
Yes.
Find h.
H equal to minus q by
Minus
2b.
I wait.
Minus
Here
2b.
alpha plus beta minus b, bring that side, plus b. Therefore, 2h is equal to b minus q. What is the
Yes,
h
sir.
value?
H equal to
b minus
b minus q by 2.
Very good. Then nothing will be there. Small, small questions. You can identify that logics. Enough. Next, you can see that 13 question getting
Yes, sir.
14,
Getting, sir.
15,
Sir, once explain.
14 tell, sir.
14.
14.
Wait. Factor means, so what is the meaning of factor? Root. Factor mean root. X minus 2 is equal to 0. What is x value?
Plus 2.
2.
Plus 2.
2 is the root of both equation.
Oh,
Any equation root to mean that value must be satisfied that equation or not.
yes, sir.
Therefore, substitution 4 plus for 2a plus b is equal to 0. 4 plus 2c plus d is equal to 0. Just subtraction of both equation getting answer.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
15.
Explain, sir.
Common root. Do you remember cross multiplication method? Are you? If you yes, I am directly explain. If you know, I can explain that method also.
No, sir.
Here 2x square plus kx minus 5 another equation. Both equations are common root will be there. If you second equation observe, what is the second equation? X square minus 3x minus 4. Find out roots of this equation. Find out roots of this equation. Oh, x square minus 4x
Minus
plus
4x
x
plus x
minus 4 is equal to
minus
0.
4 equal to 0.
What you get? X minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Understood?
No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir.
What is the x value? Either 4
4 and
comma minus 1.
or
Both equation have a common root, mean either 4 is the common root or minus 1 is
Minus
the
1.
common root. First 4 is the
Yes, sir.
common root. 4 is the common root, mean therefore first equation 2x square plus kx minus 5 is equal to 0. First substitution 4 or minus 1 also common root. Substitute both values.
Yes, sir.
What is the k values? Or you do it. When you can solving, you can get idea.
27 by 4, sir.
One
27 by
is
4.
27 by 4. Another? X minus 1 substitution, what is that value?
Three.
3 getting? But
Yes, sir.
3 not there in option. Which is there in option?
27.
Both are. Here both are there in options. Listen. Everyone listen. Both are there in option. That is called more than one option question. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
If k two values are there, one is there one option, another one is there another option will be there, that is more than one option question. That is in advanced examination question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, here next 16 question you can see, that is equation has equal roots. Are you getting this question?
Explain, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Once you observe that, what is x square quotient?
Sir, little bit zoom, sir.
Zoom, sir.
Minus 2 by
It's a maximum. That equation, it's a small mistake, it's printed. That is actually question this one. P into q minus r into x square plus q into r minus p into x plus r into p minus q is equal to 0. That is the equation. In that equation, by observation, in that equation, what is x square quotient?
PQ minus PR.
What is
PQ
the
minus
x
PR.
quotient? X quotient
What is
This
this?
is what, sir?
q
Q.
into, sorry,
Q.
q into
QR
QR minus QP.
Yes,
qp.
sir.
What is the constant?
R of P
RP
minus
minus R.
Q.
Rq. What is the sum of that all values?
0.
0. When ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, such that a plus b plus c 0 implies what are roots already given, 1 comma c by a. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is the roots? 1 will be there. C called r into p minus q, whole divide p into q minus r. Do you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what is the given has equal roots? What is the meaning of equal roots? Mean both roots are
Both roots
equal
are
or
equal.
not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
1
1
is
equal to
equal to r into p minus
P minus
q
Q.
by p into q minus r, implies cross multiplication. PQ minus PR is equal to PR minus QR will be there. Therefore, 2PR is equal to P plus QR will be there. Divide with the PQR entire equation. Divide with PQR. 2 by Q is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by P. What is asking that question? 2 by Q is equal to. What is the 2 by Q is equal to?
1 by R plus 1 by P.
1 by P.
1 by R plus 1 by P.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Just that property. When quadratic equation sum of quotients is the 0, what are roots are there? 1 comma C by A.
C by A.
Do you know that roots? Therefore, the two roots are equal is given. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What about 17 question?
Getting, sir.
What is the answer? No root, one root, two roots, infinity.
Sir, 1 root.
It's a wrong. No root is the correct one. Because of, I told that one. X minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 by x minus 1. Which is the cancel both side?
Minus 2 by x minus 1.
Cancel. What you get that value? X is equal to 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 1 substitution in question. 2 by 1 minus 1. What is the 1 minus 1?
0.
0, sir.
Anything by 0.
0.
Infinity.
Infinity not defined. Getting one solution,
Yes, sir.
that solution substitution function not defined. Therefore, what is that solution? No solution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
18th one.
So,
Getting, sir.
19.
But no, sir. Not getting, sir.
Which one?
19.
19. X by x minus 5 greater than 1 by 2. Here, x by x minus 5 greater than 1 by 2. What I told? X by x minus 5 minus 1 by 2 greater than 0. Take LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into x minus 5.
Sir?
Here 2x. Ask.
Complex solutions means what, sir?
Where complex solution set of inequality. A complete solution, not complex. By printing mistake.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Therefore, this one, what you get that equation? X plus 5 whole
X plus
divide
5
2
by
into x minus 5 greater
X
than
minus
0. A by B positive mean what is the A into B?
Positive.
positive, sir.
Positive. Therefore, implies x plus 5 into x minus 5 greater than 0. Use the number line, find out what is the x interval.
okay, sir.
You can do that remaining part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
20th question.
No,
Getting,
sir.
sir.
Getting, sir.
Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting, sir. Minus P by A.
Minus b by a minus x square quotient by
Minus 3.
x cube quotient. Minus x square quotient. What is x square quotient? That equation given. Here I written x cube plus 3x square plus 2 0 minus x square quotient by x cube quotient minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus 3. Do you understand?
Minus 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir, 7 square, sir.
Here, that is the numerical questions.
Zoom, sir.
Okay, this time you can adjust. Next time onwards, question paper can be visible that properly. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is 21 question. Cubic equation given. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha.
C by A, sir.
Yes, sir.
C by A. That is equal to, therefore, C by A will be there. what is that equation given? X cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. What is the answer of this question?
5.
5. Very good.
5, sir. That's 5.
Therefore, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Here, x quotient divide x cube quotient. X quotient is the 5, x cube quotient 1. That's why 5 by 1 is equal to 5. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about 22?
No, sir.
Not getting.
Okay, x square minus x minus a is equal to 0 has integral roots. Listen, here what is the equation? X square minus x minus a is equal to 0. What is the x is equal to? 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4a whole divide 2 will be there. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
you want to the integral value of x mean 1 plus 4a must be 1 plus 4a must be perfect square. 1 plus 4a must be perfect square. But here a value, what is the given? A lies between 6 to 100 given. What is the 4a lies between? 24 to, what is the value? 400.
400.
4a plus 1. 25 to 401.
401.
25 to 401. 25 is a perfect square or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
25
Sir.
is the perfect square will be there in 25 to 401. But here this total is integer. Total integer. 1 is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. Suppose what is the 1 plus 6 divide 2? Integer or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Integer, sir. Decimal.
1 plus 6 divide 2.
Chichi, no, sir. Decimal, sir.
Not an integer,
7
sir.
by 2 not
Decimal.
an integer. That's why here 1 is there. Here only you can take that odd values. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect square must be odd. Perfect square odd mean here you can start with that 5 square. Here up to 20 square will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear? 5
Yes, sir.
square, that is 25 odd. Next, what is the 6 square?
36.
Even or odd?
36 even, sir.
Even.
Even no
Even.
need, only odd required.
Okay, sir.
Only odd required.
7 square, sir.
Because of first
Seven.
one is odd is there.
7
Okay.
square, 9 square, 11 square, 13
7
square,
square, 9
15
square, 11
7 square,
13
9
square.
square, 11 square, 13
11
square,
square, 13 square,
15 square,
15 square,
17 square
square,
and 19 square.
19
How
square.
many total values?
10.
8.
How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8,
6,
sir.
7, 8. Total 8 values. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what about 23?
Sir, tell, sir.
Yes, sir.
Explain, sir.
Already explained once again. A alpha beta roots of equation x square minus 6x minus 2. What is the alpha plus beta?
Minus
6.
6. Alpha into beta minus 2.
Yes, sir.
But
Minus
an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. What is asking that question? Here a10 minus 2 here is equal to, that is 2a8 whole divide 2a9. Small logic, this is the model of question. A10 mean alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 Minus 2. What is the minus 2 is called a alpha beta or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, alpha beta into alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 whole divide 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, alpha
Correct.
power 10 is there. That is, what is the product of this one?
What, sir?
Alpha power
What is
9, sir.
what is the product
Alpha
of this
power
one and
9
first?
beta.
Alpha power 9
Alpha
into
power
beta.
9 beta.
First term and third term, alpha power 9 common, alpha plus beta. Again second and fourth term, minus beta power 9. Sorry, 2 into, that is there. Observe this one. It's what is the given? 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. What is the common in numerator?
Alpha plus beta.
What you get in numerator after common?
Alpha plus beta into alpha power 9
Into
minus
alpha
beta power
9
9.
minus beta
Alpha
power
power
9.
9 minus beta power 9. Both are cancel
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you get remaining?
Alpha plus beta by 2.
6 by 2, sir.
Alpha plus beta by 2. What is the 6 by 2?
3.
3, sir.
3. This question already explained in classroom.
Sir, on that day I not there, sir.
Okay.
Option.
Okay, no problem. That's why don't absent the classes and you can attend the classes. And one more thing, materials are available in that Asil Metta campus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Okay, sir.
Everyone listen, materials are available in Asil Metta campus. You can take that material.
Which campus,
You-
sir?
Asil Metta, that
Asil Metta.
Asil Metta junction. Complex.
I don't know, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your parents are knows that Asil Metta campus having materials will be there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Take
sir.
that materials because of when you start with the trigonometry chapter, explain from material, questions will be there exercise wise. I can explain to that question from material. That's why you must take in that material. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, IPR NCRT.
Not NCRT, not IPE. Objective type of material having. Objective questions. Okay? It's
Yes,
for
sir.
all object competitive examination. Any competitive examination, that material useful. Must taken, all 3 subjects will be there. Then questions are 3, all are can be explaining from that material. Physics sir, chemistry sir and me also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Within that few days, within that 2-3 days, you can collect that material in that campus. You can
Okay,
inform to parents, parents are go and take that material, no problem. Not going for you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And last 2 questions are getting or not?
Getting, sir.
Okay, that is inequality question.
Yes,
Nothing
sir.
will be there. In this paper, 10 questions are okay if you feel difficult. Remaining 15 already explained in classroom. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Every
Okay,
time,
sir.
every time remember that point. I can given that question paper 50 to 60% whatever explain same question or same model. Remaining 40% only given new questions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But must practicing, understood or not, today complete all 25 questions each and every student. All are
Okay.
listen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Some students are already left, but everyone must complete a 225 question in our notebook. I told to the some names. Those students are immediately send photos in my mobile. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
must complete today. Tomorrow I can explain to the remaining points of in progression, harmonic progression, arithmetic geometric progression, some special sequence. Those based on points I can explain tomorrow class. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
geometric progression finishes, sir.
And some more questions will be there. Later I can given that one. Because
Okay,
of it's coming in trigonometry, coming in coordinate geometry, coming in calculus, everything it's mixing with the geometry progression questions.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Depends on the time I can explain questions also. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 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 Bye.
Bye, sir.